Alright, I'm at that tight spot where we had to work you through.
I'm on my way up.
Alright, stop right there. Hold that line. Your front passenger is going to go down. Hold that line. Hold that line. You're going to come up on your passenger. Beautiful. Beautiful. Start turning. Yep, right there. Hold that. You're going to drop on your passenger. Hold that slow. Front driver's going to drop. Coming down. Right about now. Your diff might hit. Go a little passenger, 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 passenger. Okay, hold that. Passenger, right there. Hold that, come down. Start turning driver, right there. Okay, hold that. Okay, come toward your driver's gonna drop. Come towards me. You're dropping right now, dropping. Stay towards me, stay towards me. Let that roll down. Come on. Come on. Okay, hold that line. You're gonna drop and climb right about now on your passenger. Go little driver. Right there. You're gonna drop, hold that. Come towards me. Do a little driver. I'm sorry, passenger, my bad. Passenger, passenger. You're gonna come up on that big ass rock. Rolling over it now. Okay, take that slow. Start turning driver. Hold up 1 second. Alright, you're gonna drop on. Okay, start turning passenger. Right there, hold that. Come on down. Come on down. You want to take the same line I did? Okay. You're going to climb towards her. You're going to slide a little. Go a little, come on down, go a little driver. Little driver, okay. Keep coming. Keep coming. Keep coming. Okay, start turning passenger right there. Hold that line. Hold that line. You're going to drop and then go up. Okay, start turning a little bit of driver. Driver, driver, driver. Right there, hold that. Slowly, 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 slowly come down. Slowly come down. You're almost down, there you go. Turn a little towards, yeah, the line I took. Turn a little driver. There, hold that line. You're about to drop, right there, okay, okay. Start turning driver, right there, stop. You're down. Find this little drop right here. You're gonna drop.